Choosing a right product is not easy nowadays. So we are here to help you. We put products in our list after researching on them, after checking the quality of products, and also after different experiments. We categorized products and also their rankings. We always list quality products that are suitable for our subscribers. The best thing is we try to give high quality products in affordable price. Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is on Amazon. You will get a number of different products, but we are putting this in our list because of many different aspects. 3.8 amp motor provides up to 32,000 cuts per minute. 9 positive stops adjust the cutting depth anywhere from 0 to 1/16 of an inch. Lightweight design, weighs in at a mere 4.3 pounds. Includes an onboard storage slot for the blade adjustment wrench and a kickstand to prevent damage to your workpiece. Backed by a 2-year warranty. See more product details. The number 3 on the list is choosing a right product is not easy. We always choose products after different experiments. Package dimensions: 34.9 hx 17.5 lx 20.9 w. Centimeters. Package weight: 3.483 kilograms. Country of origin: China. See more product details. Ales, 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 ales. The number 2 on the list is many positives. Reviews for this product are available on different forums and communities. Powerful 8 amp motor provides up to 32,000 cuts per minute. Spacious 4-3/8 inch cutting capacity, perfect for planing 2x4s and 4x4s. 16 positive stops adjust the cutting depth anywhere from 0 to 1/8 of an inch. 2-way dust port shoots loose shavings to either the left or right depending on user preference. Rebedding: 1/3 inch. Includes a dust adapter. 2 fully reversible HSS planer blades. 2 V-shaped chamfer grooves. A parallel fence bracket. A rabbiting guide. An automatic kickstand. And a 2-year warranty. See more product details. The number 1 on the list is this product comes with premium quality and affordable price. 6 amp motor provides up to 34,000 cuts per minute. 16 positive stops adjust the cutting depth anywhere from 0 to 1/8 of an inch. Make rabbets up to 1 inch in size with the 5/16 inch rabbiting guide. Lightweight design, weighs in at a mere 6 pounds. Includes power planer, dust bag, a kickstand, a parallel fence bracket and a 2-year warranty. See more product details.